Yeah, I know. It's not done. Hey, it's Filomena. I have owned these stairs for about 5 years. Granted, a lot of that time has been snowy season because in the Finger Lakes, a lot of the year is snowy season. And I know the stairs need to be replaced, but I just can't look at them anymore. And I just don't have it in me to properly scrape all the paint and do all the things, but I just can't look at them anymore because my garden is beautiful. I sit here looking at my garden. The garden is beautiful, and then when you walk up the steps, it's just like, ugh, trash. I'm gonna do the best that I can. I'm gonna paint something on these stairs. Again, 5 years, I've been like, gotta fix those stairs, gotta fix those stairs. And granted, I'm not fixing the stairs. I am painting over some old paint. But it's the best that I can do for now. So I'm gonna do it. Let's see. And then it started to rain. Boo! Sun came back out. We're back to working. Safety first. See how it goes. Yeah, I know. It's not done. It will be eventually. But I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Yeah.